Good morning, dear students. Once again, I came online. I want to continue in explaining chapter determiners. This is part 2 of chapter 1 determiners for standard 8. Yesterday, I explained definition of determiners, examples of determiners, kinds of determiners. Three kinds yesterday I explained: articles determiners, demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners. I hope that you have completed exercise I have given you. Now this is time to proceed our class. Quantity determiners. It is fourth kind of determiners. It is also called determiners of quantity. So we can say that quantity determiners. What is quantity determiner? Write down definition: a few, comma, a little, comma, all, any, enough, many, comma, more, comma, much, comma, some, whole, several, etc. are called quantity determiners because they are used to know quantity of noun. For example, you have much knowledge. Much in this sentence is a quantity determiners. Underline much. Next example, you can write down he has many cars. In this sentence, many is a example of quantity determiner. She has several pencils. Underline severals. Note down. Note, as a note you write a little, the little are used just before countable noun, while a few, the few are used just before uncountable noun. Similarly, that you can write down many is used just before countable noun, while much is used just before uncountable noun. Such as I have many cars. Cars are countable noun. You have much knowledge. Knowledge is uncountable. So in this case, you will put much before knowledge. Now, next, number determiners. Which word denotes number? Which adjectives are used before countable noun? This adjective in the sentence you can write down as a number determiners. For example, write down what is number determiners. Definition: this determiners is used just before countable noun to determine numbers of noun such as first, second, third, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. For example, write down Sita became first in annual exam. Underline first. In this sentence, first is a number determiners. Again, distributive determiners. Question: write down what is distributive determiner. Definition: either, comma, neither, comma, each and every. So distributions of nouns. That's why they are called distributive determiners. For example, write down each student of St. Francis is brilliant in English. underline H. Next example, neither Ram, leave it. Neither girl of standard 8 is trying to learn English, underline neither. Next, interrogative determiners. Interrogative means interrogate. Interrogate means to ask question. Interrogative determiners, which determiners are used to ask question just before noun, such as whose, which. Definition, you write which determiners are used to ask the question just before noun. This is called interrogative determiners. For example, whose car is that? वह किसकी कार है? Whose car is that? Underline whose. Next, which pen do you like the most? आप कौन सी कलम सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं? Which pen do you like the most? Which you underline. By this process, determiners is completed. You have exercise. I have given you exercise A. I hope that you have completed. As a homework, I give you today exercise B, C, again D. These are homework for standard 8 of St. Francis International School. You do it, you make fair copy, again you show me, complete homework. After completing, again you show me. If you have any problem in any question, you can ask me. You are free to ask me any question, any doubt in explained chapter, what I have explained. In next class, I will teach you next chapter, prepositions. So stay along with me in a study, but for your security's sake, you have to stay at home. I hope that you are healthy. God bless you, and you listen to me attention over my explanations. It will be very beneficial for you, advantageous for you. God bless you. Thank you.